Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us on MMO Crypto. Today, we're diving into an interesting opportunity in the crypto pre-sale world that could potentially secure some solid gains. If you're excited about this topic, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future updates. Let's discuss why certain crypto pre-sales can be incredibly beneficial if timed correctly. By investing early in specific projects during their pre-sale phase, it's often possible to lock in gains before the coin even launches officially. For example, with some projects, if you buy in before the next price hike or stake your holdings, you're effectively setting yourself up for an early profit. Today, we're looking at Pepe Unchained, a unique project with big aspirations in the meme coin space. For those familiar with the Pepe community, this pre-sale allows you to purchase and stake tokens early, with the current offer of 100% APY on staked tokens. By staking now, you're maximizing your rewards even before the token hits the exchanges. With seamless bridging between Ethereum and the Pepe chain, Pepe Unchained is set up for fast transactions, low fees, and scalability, all while maintaining the meme spirit that fans love. Layer 2 blockchain. Pepe Unchained promises better transaction speeds, low fees, and high security. Pepe ecosystem. At its core, the Pepe token powers the ecosystem, offering various rewards and staking opportunities. Growing community. Pepe Unchained has a strong following, with over 41,000 Twitter followers and 10,000 subscribers on Telegram, showing significant community support. What's unique about this pre-sale is that it also offers double staking rewards, a rare find in the crypto space. By buying in now, you're part of the project early and can enjoy perks like a dedicated blockchain explorer, decentralized exchanges, and dev grants. Additionally, there's a referral program where you can earn rewards by bringing new users to the ecosystem. The Pepe Unchained project has allocated 40% to pre-sale, 30% to staking, 10% to marketing, 7.5% each to liquidity and project funds, and 5% to chain inventory. The roadmap includes exciting developments like the launch of the Pepe L2 blockchain, which will introduce the next phase of rewards. This could create a significant impact within the meme coin space as it continues to grow and evolve. Buying tokens is straightforward. Simply connect your wallet, and you can purchase using ETH, USDT, or BNB. For those new to crypto purchases, there's a helpful guide on their website for step-by-step instructions. As always, remember that investing in meme coins or any pre-sale comes with risks. It's crucial to do thorough research and understand the potential volatility in the market. Thank you for watching MMO Crypto. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, trade wisely and see you in the next update.